Welcome back to another episode, family. Afro Senpai here. Somebody on Reddit was asking about how to buy a stock with Fidelity. So they've got some money in, so we're walking you through how to make an actual trade. This is an account that I set up for my business recently, so hopefully it doesn't look too different from a standard account. If I don't have this trade button right here, what I would do is click on something that says accounts and trade and then click on trade. It's going to bring up this little drop down box. We want to trade a stock or ETF. The account should be already the account that you are in. The ticker symbol is what company you actually want to be investing in, or the ETF you want to be investing in. And because the person was relatively new to investing, we're going to go ahead and assume that they want to do some sort of all market ETF. And so the the ticker symbol I'm going to enter is VTI, and it's going to pop up, and it's telling me that this particular ETF right now trades for $230.15. You don't really need to worry about the bid, ask, or the volume. You want to be buying. Let's say you have $250, so you're going to click on shares. You can buy one share. Or if you want to set it up to dollar amount, I'm going to click on market, and that will tell Fidelity to buy VTI with $50 once the market is open. A limit price is more for when you get a little bit more tricky and sophisticated with your trades. Now I'm going to click preview order, and then it's just basically going to recap everything that we went over right here. I'm buying VTI. I am giving a dollar amount that I wanted in. If it won't let you do fractional shares, so right now me putting in 50 won't be enough, it'll tell you. You may need to look for a stock or ETF that you actually can afford with the money you have in, but I think the guy posted that he had a few hundred in there, so he's okay. After the preview order, everything looks good. You're gonna hit submit, which I'm sure will be somewhere on the page, and you are good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I make videos about building wealth along with a winning mindset, because I believe that everybody deserves to be happy and everybody deserves to be free. If you signed up with Fidelity, please share this video with that person, and don't forget to like the video, because that helps this channel grow, and it would be greatly appreciated. And until the next one, folks, please remember to smile, because you are beautiful. Peace.